In this video, we are going to show how the Streamvisor Data Catalog can help you document and understand your Pulsar streams. We start off by going to our Explorer. Here we can see the list of our tenants. After selecting the tenant, we can find the namespaces and finally the topics in that namespace. Let's click on the venue topic. On the topic overview, we can see that right now there is no data catalog information registered yet. Let's click on Edit. Here we can define what the entry in our data catalog should contain. The data owner of this topic is our streaming team. We can set an application. In this case, we will say it is the venue service. Finally, we can provide a description and also some labels. Now that we've created the information for our data catalog, we can click on the catalog in the sidebar to see an overview of what is there already. On the data catalog page, we are now presented with a different kind of visualization, containing all the entries that are already in our data catalog. Now, maybe we want to find the topics that are belonging to our team, so we can filter. Let's say we want to select all the ones that are owned by the streaming team. So we click on streaming and you can see it filters down. And then maybe also we are only interested in a certain application. So we could also filter on the application level or based on the labels that are present. Now that I take a look at it, actually this seems interesting. The stream topic. Let's click on it and we can now see the full description. And if I have to make a change to it or I want to navigate to it, I can now simply click here, click on the Explore icon, and it will take me right to the topic overview for that topic. This way, Streamvisor allows you to easily find your topics and also understand what is the data inside of these topics and what does it really mean semantically.